Hey everyone, welcome back. I've been off for a little while today. I threw my back out earlier, but I figured I'd get on and respond to everybody's comments and try to make a quick video of picking and gutting this Kwikset Deadbolt that I had gotten from Left Hand Loki, and watch a couple of videos and then go back and relax again. So we'll see how this goes. I've got the 50,000th bent pry bar on top of the keyway and a short hook. Little click on one, little click on two, maybe something on three, little click on four, little click on five, back to one. I might have just overset that. 2, 3, 4. Lighten up on my tension just a little. Click on one. That seems okay. One's way up there, to another click. 3, a couple. Alright, let's reset. This again. I haven't been using too much tension. And click on 2. 3, I might have overset again. A little click on 4. Nothing on 5. Let's see what's going on here. There we go. Got it open. A little longer than I thought to do that. It's, again, camera's on. It's usually easier practicing without the camera on. I don't have a key for this, so I'm going to try to not lock it back up. Get this clip off. This is one of those E-clips, I think, so it can be a little bit more, E-clips can be a little bit more difficult. And, thankfully that comes off because I don't have a hollow follower. And let's not do that yet. Let's get this turned back just right. Let's see. Which one's it gonna be? That one might be too big, but we'll get this shim in there. Homemade shim from a soda can. Not ideal, but it does the trick. Let's use this one. Okay, pins are right there. Oh, it's a good thing I shimmed this. This is one of those cores they remove a bunch of material from, cut down on weight. So we've got 5 pins. They all need to be picked. 2 doesn't need to be picked that much, but It's going to want to be difficult. So, pin 1. Pin 2. Sorry about that, bumped the camera. Pin 3. Pin 4. And pin 5. I keep bumping the camera. I apologize for that. So, we have all standard key pins. And as for the driver pins, let's get the shim out of there. This is a nice hole. Actually, it's working pretty good for homemade soda can shim. Let's go upstairs. Whoa, we have a slingshot pin here. It looks like a standard driver pin. I don't know which way that came out of there. That's a pretty strong spring in that. Okay, 2, we have a spool. 3. We have a standard. Let's go from the other side. These springs are pretty powerful on this one. So this would be pin 5. Looks like another standard. Pin 4. Looks like another spool. So we have, I don't want to have to fight putting those springs back in there. Get them all chewed up. So we have standard key pins in 1 through 5. We have a spool and driver pins 2 and 4 and standards in 1, 3, and 5. So that's it for this quick set. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.